I'm dipping in my seven. I'm flossing in my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy AUTOMOTIVE, man, and you tune in for another one. This one right here is going to bring you up to date on a new product that I've been teasing or talking about, called Popl. You've seen it on the community page, you might have seen it around the way, and now I am an official brand ambassador for Popl. So this video is here to give you all the knowledge and tell you how you can get your very own Popl. So let me tell you how Popl can benefit you. Popl can benefit you by being able to share your social media with your potential or current followers / subscribers at the ease and without a QR code, without them having to look you up, etc., etc. As long as you're in person, they have a phone, you have a phone, which everybody has a phone for the most part. You are able to transfer your information from there to there, just like that. This little device right here, Popl. I'm gonna just read to y'all what it says off of the packaging here. It says tap to share with anyone. Others don't need an app or Popl to receive your info. Upgrade, make connections, more leads, more sales. How much easier would it be if you just were like, hey, nice to meet you. Hey, I know that you're in a rush. Let me just get your information, or let me give you my information. They literally, let me show y'all. They literally will tap their phone and then they get the information. It is literally that simple. Tap, press, and then they got your information. It can be all so simple. You can instantly share everything. I'm gonna get this one here set up for me. It also says privacy, link usernames only, no passwords needed. Compatibility, it works with both iPhones and Android, so no need to pick a side. Come together, get Popl, and go from there. Like I said, I got this one right here as a demonstration one. Of course, as a Popl ambassador, I gotta represent, and I had my own custom made one made. Y'all see it, LS254 on Popl. So let me get it done, and then I'm gonna show you how it works. All right, so as you can see here, it shows your digital business card. Shout out to Popl. Like I said, this is basically all it is. Basically all it is. This is gonna go on the back of my phone or phone case, and we're gonna be good to go. There is like a first time activation you gotta do, and you gotta go from there. But yeah, after this video, this is just gonna be sitting on the back of my case, and we're gonna be good to go. All right, guys. So I got it set up. It's pretty self-explanatory. Once you first get your personal one to put on the device, which mine is customized for me. For iPhones, you're gonna want to mount it down here so it doesn't trigger and scan into your Popl. But let me show you what it'll do here. So say that it wasn't me. So say that I didn't know me or whatever. Say that I'm meeting you for the first time. So I got this Popl attached to the back of my phone. know what I'm saying? I'm like, hey, nice to meet you. My name is LS Rod 254. Whoop, whoop, whoop. I do YouTube. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Hey, let me give you my contact info. Know what I'm saying? So all they're gonna have to do is take their device, like so. It'll scan, it'll pop up something there, and then it's going to proceed to bring up all my information. Let me bring the brightness down so you can see it a little bit better. So it's gonna bring up all my information. It's gonna bring up the link tree, email, Instagram, TikTok, Cash App, YouTube, Twitter, Discord, PayPal, everything that they need to get in contact with me. Just like that, just that easy. Then from there, I can choose to add it to my contacts, and then it's going to pretty much automatically add that information into my phone, create new contact, and then all that stuff is gonna be there. It's already gonna be there. Then you hit done, and then boom, it's automatically saved into my phone. Now I can go into my phone, look up this contact that I just added, which is LSCR254. So you're gonna see it right there at the front top. And it is going to have all my information. Now instead of somebody trying to type in your information, putting it in wrong, etc., no typos, anything like that. Hey, scan it. It's automatically in your phone. So now they got my number, email, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Cash App, Linktree, Discord, PayPal, and my digital business card, which is the Popl itself. So great way to exchange information on the fly. If you want to get your own Popl, great for networking events and things of that nature. If you want to get this, I'm going to put the link down in the description below, where you can use my code as a Popl ambassador, and you can get your very own Popl. So you can start popping up in the other people's phones with all your contact info. So yeah, that's pretty much all I got. Great for anybody, any YouTuber, or if you have your own business or you're a content creator. Just a great networking thing, and to where it's just that simple. Just and it pops right up. So if you have any questions, y'all know how to reach me. Hit me in the Discord, hit me on Instagram, anything like that. I'll also be putting the QR code at the end of this video, so y'all be able to scan the screen so that y'all can reach me that way. That's for everybody that's not close to me, who I won't be able to put the Popl directly in front of them. It has a QR code as well, and you can still get all that same information. So till next time, it's your boy LS Rod 254. Remember, identify your weaknesses and make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely, and productivity over procrastination. And remember that the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone.